Hello everyone, thanks for subscribing my channel. Today we will learn about the trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions. So, for example, if I'll draw a right angle triangle, now this is your 90-degree angle. So, the side which is just opposite to this 90-degree angle is called as hypotenuse. And if I'll take this angle as theta, so whatever the side is opposite to this angle theta is called as opposite, or it can be called as perpendicular. And the side which is left is called as base, or it can be called as adjacent. Now I'll draw another right angle triangle. Now if I will consider this angle as theta, so the side which is in front of it will become now opposite or perpendicular, and the side which is in front of or opposite of 90-degree is called as hypotenuse, and the side which is left is called as base or adjacent. Now let's learn about the trigonometric ratios. So sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. So sine theta can be written as perpendicular over hypotenuse, cos theta can be written as base over hypotenuse, tan theta can be written as perpendicular over base. Now, in the following questions, you can see that we have to find out what is the value of a x. So we will not take the first one, which is it is about the angles. We will find out the missing sides. So missing side, if I will consider your part B, I need to find out what is the value of x. So that means I need to find out what all these sides represent. So for that, this is your theta, which is given. So in front of this theta or opposite of this theta is your perpendicular, or we can say opposite. Then in front of this 90-degree angle, it is hypotenuse, and the side which is left is either base or adjacent. So that means what we need to find out, we need to find out hypotenuse, what is given, base or adjacent is given. So we have to see that which trigonometric ratio has H or B, H or A. So we can say cos theta is equals to, we know that it is equals to B over H, or it is A over H. So we'll use here cos theta. So cos theta is equals to, what is the value of B or A? It is 3 over H is X. Now the value of theta is also given. So in place of theta, we'll write down here cos 25 degree is equals to 3 over X. Now it is a linear equation. We have to solve it. So I'll solve it here. Cos 25 degree is equals to 3 over x. I will take x to this side. I'll get here x into cos 25 degree is equals to 3. Then I will take x is equals to, because we need the value of x, we will take this cos 25 degree to this side. We'll get 3 over cos 25 degree. And when we will solve it, we'll get our answer as 3.31 centimeter. Now, if we will do the question number 3C part. So you can see here that now the angle is this, which is a 59 degree. So whatever the side which is opposite to it would be your perpendicular or opposite, and the side which is opposite to this 90 degree is called as hypotenuse. So what we need to find out here, we need to find out what is the value for hypotenuse, and the value for perpendicular or opposite is given. So where we use OH or PH, we use it in sine theta. So that means sine theta can be written as is equals to P over H, or it can be written as O over H. So that means sine 59 degree is equals to, the value of P is already given, which is 20. H we don't know, is equals to X. So we'll take X to this side, we'll get X into sine 59 degree is equals to 20. We will calculate what is the value of X. We will take this to this side, we'll get here is equals to 20 over sine 59 degree. When we will solve, we'll get our answer here. 23.33 centimeter. So the value of x is 23.33. So this is how you can solve the questions which are related with Find the missing sides in a particular right angle triangle using the trigonometric ratios. Now let's learn about the application of a trigonometric ratios in the word problems. So here the question says a 4-meter long ladder. So we'll draw the diagram here. 4-meter ladder. So ladder is always like this with the wall. This is wall and this is ground. So what is given? They have given us 4-meter long ladder. That means this is the length of a ladder. The angle between the ladder, they have already given us how much this angle equals to 75 degree. And what we need to find out, how far up the wall does the ladder reach? So we need to find out what is the height of the wall. So for that, now theta is given to us. In front of theta or opposite of theta is what? Opposite, or we can say perpendicular. This is 90-degree angle. Wall will make a 90-degree angle with the ground. That means this in front of 90-degree angle is hypotenuse. So we will use here sine. Sine theta is equals to P over H or O over H. So sine theta value is 75 degree. We'll write on here is equals to, what is the value of P? We have written here W. We'll write on here W over H is already given 4. That means W is equals to 4 will go here. 4 into sine 75 degree. When you will solve it, you will get it equals to 3.86 meter. So that is how we can apply this trigonometric ratios in word problems. So for that, you should know how to draw the diagram. So for that, we need to just read the statement, draw the diagram, and then we'll see which particular trigonometric ratio we can apply to calculate our answer. So if you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button, and please leave a comment in the comment section so that the video can reach to the wider audience. Thanks for watching.